Hello, this is Chuck at Aquatic Artist, and today we're talking about this really cool formal water feature project that we built, one of our AWS formal water features. It came out amazing. It is on a renovation of a concrete pool on a golf course up in northern New Jersey. One of the really cool advantages of AWS is the minimal disruption. This entire project was built on site in one day with 3 guys. And they built it in about 6 hours. One day, no disruption to the property. They hand carried each piece into the yard. We used a hand truck. We call it Big Yellow, which is kind of like our bigger kind of hand truck. And that's what we did. We carried everything into the yard. We built it and installed it in one day with minimal disruption to the property, no mess. There was very little cement work, very little cutting, very little of any of those things. So it's really great for a renovation because you can get in and out. You don't have to bring in mason contractors and cement and footings and all this time-consuming skill sets. The customer was extremely happy that we completed the project in one day with no disruption to the property. The project was designed and fabricated at our shop. We measured the pool and we fit the water feature on the pool perfectly. It's exactly what they wanted. They loved it. It was a Picasso travertine veneer, a 2-tiered waterfall with a precast concrete cap and 3 shear descent waterfalls. The pool company we work with ran the plumbing to the area as part of the renovation of the pool. They had a separate pump installed, which had separate suctions and return lines, and they ran the plumbing to the area we needed it, and we took it from there and completed this project in one day. Another happy customer.